I'm Swain with Barletta Boats, and this is how you manually lower your power bimini if your battery is dead. So the first thing to do is to identify which position your bimini is in. If it's deployed with the canvas on it, like this one is today, we're gonna end up ultimately laying all of this back so we can access these Allen screws and get this bow off of here. But the first step you wanna do is actually go over to your bimini front strut here and unlock the quick release button and fold up your front struts. So now that the front struts are released, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start by unzipping the rear bow. Now it's important to remember that this is supported by the canvas, so this will fall. So it's always good to have a helper help you guide this thing back. So we'll start on the port side. And lay that down safely. You're gonna wanna undo this middle bow here. And go ahead and lay this back too. Now we'll go ahead and unzip the front bow, and we'll fold up the canvas and put it in the ski locker or under a seat, wherever you want it. Now that we got the canvas removed, ultimate goal is to get this front bow down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna access these Allen head screws. There are 2 on the starboard side and 2 on the port side. These are right above the top of the bimini motor here. So in your Barletta owner's bag, we include a 5/32 Allen wrench just for this purpose. And what you're gonna do is remove these screws. All right, final step. Now that we've got our screws removed, we're gonna show you how to slide the bow off of the actuators here. Now it's very important to have a helper for this, because not only is this thing awkward, but if it falls, it can scratch your rails or things like that. So we've got Olivia here helping me today, and we're gonna go ahead and show you how to slide this off and flip it back. So now that it's laid back, you should be able to get your boat on your covered lift for the night, and definitely call your dealer and have him help you out with why you've got a dead battery and get you going for the next day.